Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Limpopo 1. I'm joined by Umabuda. Hey, let's see what we're doing. Sharp, man. Hey, Pagania. Oh, Pagania. Hey, I want you to say that. Hey, see what we're doing. Okay, I'm not going to play. The best team in the country. Simo, yes, this is Mamelodi Sundowns. The best team in the country. The most successful team in PSL era. The team was the America. We have a couple cup. Why the Africa? So, what is the Slashil? What is Sundowns we won the second half? Good man. The real institution in piano. It was there. Kamina Kawana. 21 battalion. Kulise. Udlali bola simple. Drop and pass. Drop and pass. Umathusi Mbonile. Touch league. It's touch. Ubonile touch. Lomthisalo. Yabona screening up. So udlekile. No touch league. Ubonile. Amfaka ngivalence makabi. This is Mamelodi Sundowns. You better respect this team. So Sundowns is the best team. Njengamanje silinde uRulano uyaza la. So dlala naye. Sinayo ku group stage la. Sundowns izoyithopa group stage. Izoyithopa. Ayichopa iya quarter final. Izoyithopa. Quarter final iyawina. Final. So una iwi finalist team wona. This season. Where you want? This season is why Champions League. Yabona lo ndiya black level yabotshwala. Yazi black level asinandaba nayo. Thina our main focus is Champions League. Champions League na league. Kila mmoja anataka simkati. Ukala 3 games win cup still the team l'équipe Pirate the team Tina zibonse ibhola so ishaya Congo Tina so ishaya Trinidad Congo so ishaya Trinidad Congo Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?